Hello everyone, welcome to the online classes. In our previous video, we had already completed chapter number 5. Now today we will start from the exercise. And this is the new words. And chapter number 5. फर्स्ट वन स्टाउट. स्टाउट का मतलब क्या होता है, मैंने आपको कल चैप्टर में भी बताया था. दैट इज फेयरली फैट एंड हैवी और हैविंग अ थिक बॉडी. प्रीचर, समवन who gives talk at religious meeting but it is not a priest. ऐसे इंसान को जिसका रिलीजियस का नॉलेज हो बट वो प्रीस्ट नहीं हो. प्रीस्ट कौन होता है? पुजारी. नेक्स्ट, क्यूबिकल. क्यूबिकल का मैंने आपको मतलब बताया था, स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ अ रूम दैट इज सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम द रेस्ट ऑफ द रूम सो दैट यू कैन नॉट बी सीन बाय अदर पीपल. मर्चेंट, इट मीन्स व्यापारी. समवन who buys and sell goods in large quantities. Haggling, it means arguing, किसी से argue करना, मतलब किसी को कुछ चीज बेचनी हो और उस बीच में अपना argue होता है, उसे कहते हैं haggling. Especially when try to agree about the price of some things. Now move to the next, that is shutters. It means wooden or metal covers on the outside of door or window that can be closed. Now wisdom, मैंने आपको कल भी बताया था, that is good sense and judgment based especially on your experience of life. Worth, अपन नहीं बोलते कोई चीज परचेज किए कि नहीं यार मैंने अपना पैसा बहुत सही जगह वर्थ क्या मतलब लगाया है. वर्थ का मतलब क्या होता है? वैल्यू इन मनी. स्क्रॉल, अ लॉन्ग पीस ऑफ पेपर दैट कैन बी रोल्ड अप. स्क्रॉल क्या होता है? अ लॉन्ग पीस ऑफ पेपर दैट कैन बी रोल्ड अप. नाउ प्लॉटिंग मतलब कोई चाल चलनी. मेकिंग अ सीक्रेट प्लान टू हार्म एन इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन. कन्फेशन, अ स्टेटमेंट दैट यू हैव डन समथिंग रॉन्ग. कन्फेशन का मतलब क्या होता है? आपने कुछ गलत किया पर आपने कन्फेस कर लिया कि हाँ ये काम मैंने ही किया था. दैट इज नोन एज कन्फेशन. A statement that you have done something wrong. Stunned मतलब so surprised that you do not react immediately. आप इतने surprised हो कि आपने immediately उस बात पे कोई reaction दिया ही नहीं. Next, that is traitor. Someone who is not loyal. Traitor का मतलब क्या होता है स्टूडेंट? जो ऐसा इंसान जो आपके साथ लॉयल नहीं हो, that is known as traitor. Students, you have to do all these new words in your English first notebook. Okay, students, this is your homework. You have to do all these new words in your English first notebook. Now move to the next, that is exercise. अब हम क्या करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स? एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. Who was नसरुद्दीन? नसरुद्दीन कौन था? We have to write the answer. Chapter 5 class work. Answer the following question. First question, that is who was Nasruddin? Who was Nasruddin? You have to write the answer. Nasruddin was a simple man. Nasruddin was a simple man who gave free advice free advice to people. Who gave free advice to people. In return, in return, in turn, the people loved the people loved and respected him. Okay, students. Nasruddin was a simple man who gave free advice to people. In turn, the people loved and respected him. Now move to the next question. That is question number 2. You have to leave one line. Then you have to write the next question. You have to leave one line. Then you have to write the next question. Why was his wife angry when she came back from the bath? उसकी वाइफ एंग्री क्यों थी जब वो पब्लिक बात से आई थी? Now move to the next question. Nasruddin's wife came back in bad mood from the public bath because she had gone there to have a bath and relax. वो वहां क्यों गई थी पब्लिक बाथ? ताकि वो नहा सके और रिलैक्स कर सके. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली but unfortunately the attendants kept asking her to move another cubicle. They wanted to give the best ones to the wives and daughter wife and daughter of merchant. The best one to the wives and daughter of merchant. Nasruddin's wife came back in bad mood from the public bath because she had gone there to have a bath and relax. Unfortunately, the attendants kept asking her to move another cubicle. They wanted to give the best one to the wives and daughter of merchant. If you want to take screenshot, you can take. Now move to the next question. That is question number 3rd. Question number 3rd. What did she want Nasruddin to become? वो क्या चाहती थी? नसरुद्दीन क्या बने? वो चाहती थी नसरुद्दीन एक मर्चेंट बने. She want Nasruddin to become a merchant. Now move to the next question. That is okay. Move to the next question. That is question number 4th. What did Nasruddin sell in his shop? नसरुद्दीन अपनी शॉप पर क्या सेल करता था? नसरुद्दीन के पास अपनी शॉप पे बेचने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं था. आंसर, नसरुद्दीन opened the shop but had nothing to sell. उसके पास बेचने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं था. नसरुद्दीन opened a shop but had nothing to sell. Okay, students. Now move to the next question. What did Tamerlan do with the sink he bought from Nasruddin? Students, question 5th is your homework. You have to do yourself. First, second, third question has completed and question 5th is your homework. In our next video, we will continue from the 6th question. If you want to take screenshot, you can take. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, class.